Take your first steps into the world of business with a board game full of choices, strategy, and surprise twists and turns. Designed for ages 8 and up, My First Little Business lets children build their first venture from the ground up, teaching them how to manage finances, make smart decisions, and think long-term to grow their business. Start small and move around the board, earning income, buying business tools, and securing licenses to build your little empire. Navigate the ups and downs of running a business, pay taxes, manage social media, and tackle unexpected events, just like in the real world. With so many ways to earn and grow, kids naturally start thinking beyond the next role. They count money, decide when to spend or save, and adjust their plans when new challenges arise. Easy to set up and fun to replay. My First Little Business is a great fit for family game nights, classroom activities, and screen-free play with friends. Ready to rule the business world and master your financial skills along the way? Then let's get to business.